Today we are placing the struts of the back of my Honda Pilot. So this is like a hatchback door and they went out, so it's really heavy to lift. This is pretty easy to do. You just take a flathead and you pop out the rings to the struts, as you see in the photo there. And that's the little ring that pops out. Now after this you can pop out the struts, and as you can see here, that one that I took out was actually still working, so that's why it popped like that, but the other one did not. So in order to put the new ones in, I suggest getting someone to help you, and you just pop in the little pieces to the door. Now you can see here I'm opening and closing the door with my new struts on, but it's not working, which is crazy. Okay, so it still doesn't stay up by itself. Maybe I'm just stupid and got the wrong ones, or something else is broken that I don't know what it is. Alright guys, we finally figured it out, and look at this. Money. So the ones that I previously bought from AutoZone didn't work. So I switched them out for these right here. You can tell this is like a little bit thicker, and here as well. So you do the same exact thing where you take your flathead, you pop out the ring, boom, pop out the ring, boom, and then pop out the ring on those two, and then just make sure you hold your door here with something or get somebody to help so you don't hurt yourself smashing your head. So yeah, switch those out, and I got these from Amazon, and they hold up to 100 pounds, I think it's rated for. And so this door, I don't know how heavy it is, but it works really good. So you can see there, and then we got there. So that's good. So just make sure you have ones that actually lift a bigger weight than your door or is rated for. How do you check that? I'm not too sure, but these work, and I'll link it in the description. So go check out more of my videos if you want.